Today's certification, networking devices, and initial configuration. Course overview. If you know the basics of networking, then get ready to strengthen your foundation. A strong networking background is key if you are interested in exciting fields such as cybersecurity and network development DevNet, or want to continue towards a networking certification like Cisco Certified Network Associate (CCNA). This course covers the essentials of network devices and how to configure them. Learn the characteristics and benefits of cloud and virtualization technologies. Explore how to provide Internet Protocol IP addresses to devices both manually and automatically. Using this knowledge, you will calculate an IP addressing scheme. Configure Cisco devices to create a small network. This course teaches intermediate knowledge and skills for networking by covering basic concepts and skills needed to build a home office network and a small office network. Benefits by teaching the characteristics and benefits of cloud and virtualization technologies. Your students develop skills to calculate an IP addressing scheme and configure Cisco devices to create a small network. Explore opportunities in technology. Teach the characteristics of virtualization and cloud services. Explain how Ethernet operates in a switched network. Show how routers use network layer protocols and services. Demonstrate how the TCP protocol guarantees data delivery. Configure a simple computer network. Target audience: secondary or vocational school and college university students. General audience estimated time to completion, 25 hours. Prerequisites: networking basics or equivalent knowledge. Course delivery, instructor-led and self-paced learning. Component highlights: 12 modules and 19 practice labs. Interactive activities and quizzes. One final test. Course recognitions: digital badge certification alignment. This course is part of the Junior Cybersecurity Analyst career path and Network Technician career path, which align to the CCST Cybersecurity and CCST Networking certifications. Recommended next course: network addressing and basic troubleshooting. Here's what you will learn. Module 1, Network Design. Module 2, Cloud and Virtualization. Module 3, Number Systems. Module 4, Ethernet Switching. Module 5, Network Layer. Module 6, IPv4 Address Structure. Module 7, Address Resolution. Module 8, IP Addressing Services. Module 9, Transport Layer. Module 10, the Cisco iOS Command Line. Module 11, Build a Small Cisco Network. Module 12, ICMP. Thanks for watching and stay connected for all upcoming videos.